Good day all. So this is the second video in the three-part helical antenna video series. In the first part, I had already explained regarding the basics of the helical antenna. In this video, you will be coming to know about the antenna parameters, and one more video is remaining that you will be studying about the types of configurations of the helical antenna. So in the previous video, you might have seen how to make this helical antenna just like this by say winding a copper wire over a cylinder. And in this video, we'll be knowing about the parameters of this helical antenna. So first of all, we'll start with the parameter small letter d, that is the diameter of the wire. You can see in the figure also. So in this case, the parameter small letter d means that is the diameter of this actual wire. Okay, so this actual wire that is having a very small diameter only. This small diameter is that small letter d. Now what about capital letter D? Capital letter D is nothing but that is the diameter of the whole helix. You can see over here the whole helix whatever we have made, that itself is having a diameter. And the diameter of this helix is of course higher than that of the diameter of the wire itself. Correct. So the capital letter D, it signifies the actual diameter of the helix as it is. Now there is another parameter, that is capital letter C, that is the circumference of the helix. You might have already learned in schools, that is how to calculate the circumference if you know the diameter, that is pi into d. That is why C is given as pi into capital letter D. Always keep it in mind. If we are telling something regarding the helix, then always we will be taking capital letter D alone. Now what is this parameter S? S means that is the spacing between the turns. So you can see over here there are see three turns are there. So between each and every turn there is a small spacing, one gap is there. Here some spacing is there, here another spacing is there, and the spacing is also clear. So in an actual ideal case, all the spacings will be same throughout. For example, if it is 1 centimeter spacing over here, then same 1 centimeter will be coming over here, and same 1 centimeter will be coming over here also. So in that case, the spacing S between the turns will be, of course, it have to be 1 centimeter. That's it. And next thing is alpha, that is a pitch angle. Pitch angle means here you can see the helix, it is making one angle with this axis. With the axis there is an angle in the that winding. That angle is the pitch angle, and it can be given as tan inverse of S by pi into D, capital letter D again. So already you know both the parameters. S is nothing but the spacing between the turns, as I had told before, and capital letter D, that is nothing but the diameter of this helix. And our next parameter, that is the axial length. So you can see over here the helix, it is totally wound in this much space alone. Okay, so this wire portions we will not be considering for the helical antenna as it is. So this is the actual helical antenna part, and over here what is the actual length? That is nothing but this axial length, that is A, and it can be given as small letter n into S. You can see over here three turns are there. So small letter n means number of turns only, that is 3 over here. And finally S, I had already explained it before. S is nothing but the spacing between the turns. So if the spacing is say 1 centimeter over here, 1 into 3 number of turns, that is obviously giving you the actual axial length of this system. And finally L, capital letter L, that is giving you the length of one turn. Length of one turn in the sense, say this turn alone, I am just unscrewing or unwinding it. So you can see here this much length was there consumed for one such turn. Okay, so this turn, this length, it is nothing but the length of one turn, that is capital letter L. And it can be also be found out using another relation, that is root of s squared plus c squared, where s is nothing but the spacing between the turns and c is nothing but again capital letter C only, that is the circumference of the helix. So hope we will see you next in the next video. That's it. Thank you.